In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the pattern for your clay African mask. So the first thing that you want to do before you actually start to make the pattern is to plan out your design. And you're going to be doing this on 9 by 12 inch paper, which is the brainstorming paper in the orange box on the windowsill. You'll notice here I did 3 different designs. You don't have to do 3, but I always like to come up with multiple design solutions and then pick my best one. You'll notice that all of my designs have symmetry, which means the same thing on both sides. They have geometric lines and shapes in them, and they also use patterns. Those are really common characteristics that we see in African masks. So once you've decided which is your favorite, in this case I think that I like this one best, you're going to get a smaller piece of paper. Okay, it's about half the size of this, and those are located on the table under my document camera by the smartboard. And you're going to fold it in half, doing what we call the hot dog bun fold. So it's long and skinny, like you could fit a hot dog in here. So once you have it like this, you're going to write your name and your class code, 4- whatever you are, inside there. And then you're just going to draw half of your mask. Now, if I'm looking at this one, my line of symmetry would be right about here. So if you look carefully, you could see it's right down the center. Now, I'm going to do the drawing on here in Sharpie so that you can see it well in the video. You're going to do this part in pencil. So the first thing I want to do is start to draw my mask. Now, my line of symmetry is here. You're not going to draw this line of symmetry. I'm just doing it so that you can see it easily in the video. So I'm going to start out by just drawing half of my mask design on here. Now, I'm not going to continue to draw the rest of my mask. I'm going to fold my paper in half, and I'm going to cut through 2 layers so that when I open it up, I have a perfectly symmetrical mask design. So symmetrical means the same on both sides. So when I open it up, so you notice I've cut through 2 layers. When I open it up, now my mask is perfectly symmetrical. Then from there, now that I have the outer shape perfectly symmetrical, I'm going to look at my design and I'm going to start drawing my designs. So I'll begin with my eyes. So I have one eye on the right side. I'm going to do one eye on the left. I have one half of my mouth on this side. I'll continue the other half on the other side. So I would continue to do all of my designs on both sides like I did here until I have it all laid out. Then once it looks like this, you will be ready to go to the clay center, and I will show you how to use this to make your clay African mask.